Alright, this is the first full feature test of my beer robot. It's my old college mini fridge hooked up to an air cannon, and it's all controlled by an IO Bridge 204. You can see the webcam on the front, which will post all the beer tosses to Twitter. It's all controlled by my iPhone, so you can get a Bud Light Lime, Bud Select, PBR. You can change the temperature, warmer, colder, and it broadcasts the temperature right there in the corner. So let's see if we can get a Bud Light. Alright, so it goes to the second page, which has the webcam view, and you can actually aim the fridge. I think it was good where it was. Keep coming. A little more. Alright, that's about right. Let's see if we can fire this thing. I'm going to have to drop my phone. There it is.